After years of working with how the body moves, I can tell you that most people completely misunderstand how pull-ups actually work. Most people try and jump up on the bar and pull themselves up with just their arms, and then wonder why they can't even get one rep. But the pull-up isn't an arm exercise. A pull-up is mainly driven by your back, especially your lat muscles. The latissimus dorsi are responsible for pulling your upper arms down toward your body. That movement is called shoulder extension and adduction, or adduction. So instead of thinking pull yourself up, think drive your elbows down towards your hips. If you don't use your lats first, your biceps brachii take over and they fatigue way quicker than your lats. Before your arms even bend, your shoulder blades need to be controlled. If you just hang passively, you lose force before the pull even starts. Think about gently pulling your shoulders down and slightly back before you initiate the movement. And your grip strength matters a lot more than people realize. If your hands don't feel secure, your nervous system won't allow full force output. Okay, next we build shoulder control and lat engagement before we ever worry about full pull-ups. We're going to start in a dead hang, completely relaxed. Then we're going to pull our shoulders down into what's called an active hang without bending our arms at all. What you're training here is control of your scapula, learning how to move it smoothly instead of hanging loose. Okay, so in order to strengthen your shoulder and your scapula, we can use a really low hanging bar, like if you brought the bar down, or you can use a set of rings. Okay, we're gonna keep our arms straight now and then pull our chest up by squeezing our upper back. This activates our latissimus dorsi and our upper back muscles like our rhomboids without letting our arms take over. Okay, so now we're going to do our controlled negatives. You're going to use a stool to help get your chin above the bar, and then you're going to hold your chin above the bar for 3 seconds. And then you're going to slowly control that descent. So we hold 3, 2, 1, and then we just go down as slow as we can. And this builds real strength because your muscles handle more load while they're lengthening. So don't ignore grip training. It's the foundation of everything. A pull-up is a full body movement. Your lats generate the pull, your core stabilizes your body, and everything works together as one system. Fix this approach and your first pull-up is a lot closer than you think. When you eventually get your first pull-up, I would love for you to come back to the comments and leave it down below that you did it. Also, if this video has helped you in any way, I would really appreciate a like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. It really helps me out a lot. Until next time, I really appreciate you guys, and take care.